Good morning, my beautiful people. Hope you're having a great start to your Monday morning. Today I find myself in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico. And today I want to talk about delayed gratification. You see, I've been working my ass off since I was 12 years old. In fact, at 16, I got a full-time job in Kentucky Fried Chicken. Shout out to all those fast food workers out there. And I never stopped working. I've worked my ass off for one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to have financial freedom or have the ability to do what I want, when I want, and how I want. But there was a lot of sacrifice, a lot of days of working overtime, a lot of days of not coming home because I'm doing double shifts, a lot of saving, a lot of buying of real estate, just so that I can be where I am today. But the purpose or the reason why I mentioned that is because the things that we really want oftentimes do not come easy. You're gonna have to work, people. You're gonna have to sacrifice. You're gonna have to delay your gratification. If you do that, then you might, with a lot of hard work, get to where I am today. And I don't say that to brag, because I am 52, and like I said, I've been working till I was 16, but all those days of long hours of working my ass off have paid off. And I think it will do the same for you if you just continue to grind, just continue to hustle, delay your gratification. Forget that BMW, forget that Mercedes until your passive income can pay for it. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.